time is money, right? If you're an agent and you're on the field or you're just in the office, the last thing you want to do is sitting in front of a computer, doing manual work when you can just click a few buttons and it will just do everything for you. My name is Dara and I'm a front-end developer at Rex Labs. You come to me for basically issues around Rex CRM, recently helped deal calendar, so that's basically what people know me for. When we talk about front-end developers, what you're seeing on the screen, like buttons fixing issues where data is not showing up. Why is this color is weird, But it's more in-depth than that, but what you see in front of the screen, basically it's front-end work. I was probably the most juniorest person you could find, straight out of university, no experience whatsoever. And then did a few interviews. They finally, decided to accept me as a junior developer. I was doing data imports, was building basically a bunch of brochures and newsletters, and then I moved on and the front-end team I see them doing a lot of cool stuff. So I was like, yeah, might as well, branch out and do something cool, be like a cool front-end Rex person. Joined the front-end team, and my first big project was calendar. We do have a lot of automation tool at Rex that can help, deal with a lot of manual tasks. Like time is money, right? If you're an agent and you're on the field or you're just in the office, the last thing you want to do is sitting in front of a computer, doing manual work when you can just click a few buttons and it will just do everything for you. It's like less distracting, because you don't want to be clicking too many buttons and filling in too many inputs. So yeah, I feel like that's very important. Before coming on to Rex, I had no idea that we, real estate people have to deal with certain things, have to go through like certain process to buy or sell a house. That's very interesting to understand. Another thing is just personal growth. Be more confident in what I do. Just understand, I guess, and how to cope on certain situations. The best thing about working at Rex, there's a lot actually. Everyone is so welcoming, everyone is so friendly, and it's just this culture that they have where it's pretty much if you have a questions, you always get encouraged to ask, no matter what kind of questions you have. This kind of just drives people to be more confident with what they do, and also to be able to ask the questions without having to worry that that person is going to judge me or whatever. And whenever there's a new person joins, we always encourage that person to ask as many questions as they possibly can. I think my team's biggest accomplishment was when we decided to wrap up calendar. To me, it's a product of its own because it's so big. The scope is so huge that there's many developers worked on it. Throughout the years, we kind of just iterate through the issues, the bugs, and especially the design to make it more user-friendly, get it to a state where the users can use it seamlessly. We also pushed in like this cool automation feature on top of calendar where you can do calendar confirmations, calendar alerts. If you create a open home from your listings, it will just create a slot in calendar on that open home schedule. So that's very interesting. The reason why we took so long with calendar especially is because we want to get it right. We don't want to throw in all of these cool features that what a calendar can do, but the approach we took is more about what a calendar can do for the customers that we have. Sometimes doing less means doing more.